RPI National Secretary Maheshwar Th has expressed that not only the Chin Kuki narco-terrorists need to be rooted out from the soil of Manipur, but provisions of the Indian Constitution need to be reformed as well, which subjugate Meitei community, or else the area of inhabitancy and dominance will be reduced to 0.1%. The statement has been made today during a public meeting held at Nongmairembi Community Hall, Top Mayai Lekai, which was organized by Eastern Sporting Club ESA, Top Awang Lekai. The public meeting was attended by several members of clubs, Mairapaibis, and general public of the area. Speaking during the meeting, Maheshwar Th expressed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is still silent on the crisis of Manipur. However, all ruling MLAs, political parties and CSOs of the state, irrespective of the differences in the political ideologies, must submit a joint memorandum to the Prime Minister, and at that time the PMO will listen to the hue and cry of the people of Manipur. We must also demand for the Prime Minister for imprisonment and punishment of the 10 Kuki MLAs who are demanding separate administration in the state. He further expressed that the 10 Kuki MLAs who had taken oath to safeguard the territorial integrity of the state when they were administered oath upon becoming MLAs of the state are now actively participating in disintegrating Manipur, and hence they must not be allowed to reside and settle in Manipur, and they must be driven out from our state, he added. Maheshwar Th further highlighted on the need to revoke suspension of operation between the Kuki militants. He also stressed that, like being granted visas on arrival, the illegal Kuki immigrants are granted the status of settled tribes in the state, and they are draining our wealth and blood, hence calls for reformation of Village Authority Act 1950. If such illegal Kuki immigrants are not taken care of, then they will become a threat to the entire country of India, he continued.
Home Minister Sunare, Defense Minister Sunare, Lok Sabha ki Honorable Speaker Sunare, adu katai MP Sing Minister Sing Bujaya Malay Unare Haitan. Makoi the wali se liba matamda. Community ani Iran ki type talu khalame Meitei Kuki na su governor unabakanda aina tunga ma makai matam lawe. Makhuse pong the governor tha talu kaya sibuga aina hai metam si please Meitei Kuki haibira nu haiben. Meitei Kuki haibira nu. Amit sana su parliamenta Mapandagi changak pamina lan taure as haire komyam. Sumiko. NIA central government NIA na su mapandagi changak pami yaure sugi kangu yaure haire se moi masana su haidara bane. Madam ji so na su tha khargi mamanda mapandagi chang khulai pai basing yaure se haire bane ba. Adu taragadi yaure ki sum haiba leadership su haiba action local daga makoy se mutat na action local na tisi kali no asine ba inang zaris hai di sum hai ka leiba